Zdravo ljudi, u ovoj epizodi ćemo da radimo nešto malo drugačije. I da, vratio sam se, razumete me. Veliki povratak, bez obzira što vjerojatno nikom nisam nedostaje. Ali, fuck that, razumete me. Idemo, video sam da neki likovi rade reakcije na ove TLC Extreme Cheapskates. Cheapskates. Ne mogu li da izgovorim. Uglavnom ovo su kao neke ekstremne škrtice, brate. I znači, neke stvari koje sam vidio, život mi se zgadio. Tako da rešio sam da mi to zajedno proučimo u ovoj epizodi. Da vidimo, možda nešto naučimo od njih, razumete, da štedimo novac, razumete. Sad će ja vidimo, ajde. Ovo prvo iskače najjeftiniji date na svetu. Ajde da vidimo. Šta je ovo? I da, verovatno će mi claimuju video pičke, ali boli me kurac. Idemo, razumete me, ne mogu oni mene da zaustave. Ne mogu. A mislim da će bude smiješno, tako da koga jebe. Nebitno. I ovako zarađujem 90 centi mesečno. Big YouTube money, razumete me. I make the money, I make the cash, razumete me. Glavno, ajde da ne odugovlačim, puštamo ovo sranje.
My name's Greg Insko. I'm 29 years old. I've lived in Cincinnati, Ohio all my life. I'm a Zumba.
Zaustavit ću te tu, brate. Zumba teacher neki, brate. Naravno da je ovakav lik. Pogledaj ga! What the fuck? Nosi suknjicu rozu. Mislim, ne da nešto nije, ne da je to pogrešno, ali samo kaže. Razumete me?
Dance instructor, and I'm an extreme cheapskate. I'll do a
Okej.
clinical study anytime I can because those pay really good money. I really wanted to
Vidi
buy
ga,
this
vidi
lowrider,
ga.
and I had to get $3,500 somehow.
Kakav je ovaj škrtica, brate, gledaj kakav auto vozi lowrider, brate. I u kurac, brate, ko da igra GTA, čovjek.
This is all from when the guy passed away. He left it all here. I didn't have any
Okej,
furniture. It
znači,
worked out.
sad što sam, isekao sam tu to što je dosadno, uglavnom, neki deda je umro sa Zumbe i on živi tu ko dedes, to jest, razumete me.
Nice. These are my roommates. We got Raj and Kevin here.
It's painful bringing women back to the apartment because furniture, it's everything. It's embarrassing.
This place definitely smells like old people.
Oh, shit.
I don't know how much Greg pays for the apartment, but I do know that Kevin and I pay a pretty fair amount.
It's a large 3-bedroom condo, so I knew I'd be able to take my roommates with me and charge them rent even though I'm living for free.
Oh my god! Kako govno od čoveka, ej, on živi za džabe tu. A to je drugare, da mu oni plaći. Oh my god. Ovaj lik je govno, brate, ajde.
Kitchen.
Holy shit.
All right, where to begin? There's no point in paying for anything that you should get for free in life. I never spend money on condiments.
Ja, brate, ovaj
Anytime you go to a
pokro pola
restaurant, just
McDonald'sa,
take
brate,
extra
idi u
when you're
kurac,
there.
brate.
I would never pay for paper plates or any kind of plate, really. I got lucky. I got these from my nephew's birthday party.
Ne! Ne! Čovjek ode na rođendanac i sačuva ove papirne tanjiriće, brate, za rođendan. Brate, mili, fuj, brate. Koga on zajebava? Mislim, to ni ne možete opere. To je za jedno korišćenje. What are you doing? Oh my god, brate.
To save money on cups, I actually reuse yogurt cups. I got this from my grandma.
Oh my
this way
God.
they're all labeled. Everybody knows whose cup's whose. But if we get a guest, I actually give them the big cup, so it makes them feel special.
I da, pre nego što nastavim, ovaj lik je pun love, razumete me. To je problem. što on ima love da kupi sve što hoće i čovjek vozi low rider, ali previše škrtice da kupi čašu nego pije za jogurt, brate. I čuva tanjiriće s dečjih rođendana, mislim, to je malo suspekt, ali ajde.
I don't put them in the dishwasher because the dishwasher wastes way too much money on electric and water, so I just hand wash them in the sink. There's no point in having a bulb inside a refrigerator. I took the bulb out of the refrigerator. It saves me almost $40 a year in electric. This is my
Izvadio je sjelicu iz frižidera da uštedi struju. Okej.
closet. When I go shopping, I always leave the tags on the shirt because
Uštedi čak $40 godišnje. Čak. Aha.
you never know if it's going to go out of style. So always keep the tags and you can just return them later. I paid for them. It's not stealing if you pay for it.
I'm living the dream. As soon as I'm done living the dream, I just return it.
Ne skida etikete sa majci da možete ih vrati kad hoće. Oh my god. Fuj, brate, zamisli, nosi majicu 2 godine, brate, ono, znojava, gadna, pocepana. Ali i dalje ima etiketu, bato. I on je vratio radio. Holy shit, brate.
Biggest money saver in the whole condo is right here in the bathroom.
Greg thinks that he lives a pretty normal life, and most other people would probably think so too until they get to know him. He takes showers with his clothes on.
By
Da,
washing
tušira se obučen.
my clothes in the shower with me, I'm saving at least $15 a month because I don't have to use a washer, a dryer,
Oh
soap.
my god,
When I take a
brate.
shower, I keep a bucket in there and it catches all the excess water from me. At the end of the week, when I'm ready to flush the toilet, I take that water and pour it directly into the toilet, and that's what causes the toilet to flush. That way, I'm not wasting any water.
Brate, jel on hoće da kaže da njemu, da on nedelju dana ne pusti vodu u WC šolju, nego da skuplja vodu sa tuširanjem? Jel sam ja to dobro razumio? Jel sam ja to dobro razumio? Oh my god, brate, ovaj lik je bolest.
I like
A
going
pogledaj
on free
auto,
internet
what the
dating
fuck?
sites. By far the best part about online dating is you don't have to spend money on dinner and drinks and wasting gas. going places to meet
sad
people.
će dobije
Just get online and
pussy,
it's free.
ali
This
neki
girl's kinda
polovan.
hot.
Polovan
She likes.
pussy.
I'm taking Brandy to a barbecue restaurant because it's much cheaper than like a sushi place. But I'm hoping that she ate earlier so she's not as hungry. You must be Brandy? Are you real hungry?
I'm not starving or nothing.
Oh, so like you want to like share a meal maybe?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Did you see the kids menu?
Ja, on je na
Yeah, just leave it
facu.
over to the other side. And it's only $4.95. All right, so we could get a veggie plate. That's only $5.50. Or you could get the sweet and sour hot sauce for only $2.95.
I've learned that Greg doesn't like to spend lots of money. There's nothing wrong with it. Just it's different.
Would you like to order?
Yes, I think we're ready.
I'm just gonna take the pulled pork sandwich.
All right.
It's pretty
Pulled pork
popular
sandwich for you?
here, right?
It's very good.
Oh, is that pretty good size, the pulled pork sandwich?
It's a nice portion.
Like big enough for 2 probably?
Just depends
Probably.
how hungry you are.
You're not real hungry, right? Nah. Okay. Also, can
Oh. Ovaj lik je govno. Jo, brate, valjda sam stavio titlove u editovanju, ne znam, mrzi me da prevodim sad sve ko debil, znaš. Valjda ste skontali. Oh my god.
we get a rib?
Okay, you like a rack of ribs?
No, just like one rib. The rack is like kind of expensive.
Traži jedno rebro.
I don't know if she would like it, so I thought maybe we'd just get one. just in case.
Okay, so you'd like 1 rib.
Yes, please.
Most guys, when they ask girls to go on dates, they really want to impress or show off. And so it was different to see him really not care. It was a little weird.
Pulled pork
you.
sandwich with a side of mac and cheese.
That looks good.
And here's your 1 rib.
Oh, right. Thank you. Did you want to try some of those?
Jedno
No,
rebro
it's okay.
na
It's- yeah, there's one out there.
It's really good, though.
Yeah. Would you want some macaroni?
Oh, yeah. Actually, I would love some macaroni.
Good.
Maybe a little bit of pork, too.
Yeah. Well, we'll just do about half then. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that would
Lik
be
je
nice.
pojeo pola tanjera, brate.
So, what else do you do besides save cups and utensils? What else?
At my condo, like to save money on water, we only flush once a week, and I save like $30 a month.
Bato, to nije prva stvar koju trebaš da kažeš. I šta ti još voliš da radiš? Volim da štedim na vodi, pa pustimo vodu u WC šolji samo jednom nedeljno. Ne, brate, ovo je... Je li ovo stvarno? Je li ovo realno? Ja ne znam. To je prva stvar koju je rekao. Puštamo vodu samo jednom nedeljno. Ima nas trojica, seremo ko krave. To je to, to je sve što trebaš da znaš o meni. Oh my god, brate.
So you guys go to the bathroom the whole week and you don't flush. That's pretty disgusting.
Uuu, rekla je da je grozno.
Once.
Kaže... Kad ti dođeš možeš da pustiš vodu, ali jedno... Oh my god, brate.
That's how he wants to live his life. It's good for him, just too extreme for me. I would never do it.
Here are all the things you asked for.
Oh, thank you.
Let me know if anything else you need.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
All right. Do you mind handing me your plate? Thank you. I'll take the plate home with me too.
Ne,
I
brate,
don't like to waste
oh my
food.
god, sve
Are you gonna eat
skuplja.
the food?
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, perfect. All that,
Ja,
but you never had too much barbecue sauce.
True.
Oh, don't forget your to-go cup.
Dobro da nije ukro sav
Greg
sos
is
sa
a very
sola.
sweet guy, funny, he's a little cheap, but nice guy overall. Thank you for taking me out.
I want a girl like me for me.
Well, I had a lot of fun tonight. Would you want to go out again sometime?
Yeah, I did. I had a good time. Thank you. Even though he's a little cheap, I
Oh
could pass
shit!
that.
Znači eto, ste vidjeli, prva stvar znači, koju trebate na prvom dejtu da uradite je da kažete ribi da puštate vodu samo jednom nedeljno. Vidite, čovjek je dobio pusi, razumete me? Čovjek će
He's a
dobio
really
pusi.
sweet guy, so I would definitely go out with Greg again.
Vidite,
If somebody doesn't
Saveti
like you
sa
for who you are,
škorpiona.
you shouldn't be with them.
to je to. Okej, nadam se da se svidio ovaj video, znam da je ovo malo drugačije bilo, pošto ne radim reakcije toliko na kanalu, nisam dugo u stvari radio. Radio sam samo 2 puta na Šumadinca, brate, ono kad je bilo i... još nešto. Uglavnom, ako vam se svidjelo ovo, bacite like, subscribeujte se na kanal, da stignemo do 4000 više. I to je to, šta da kažem više. Puštajte vodu jednom nedeljno. I doviđenja.